students, today again we are going to start to discuss about some other methods to separate different components of from solid and solid mixtures, solid in solid mixtures. Open your book, page number 38. In last class we have discussed the first method, that is winnowing. Today we are going to start different methods. Second method is sieving. Sieving, similarly, it is also a process to separate the undesirable components of a mixture are removed to get a desirable or pure component. In this process, by using sieve, we can separate the undesirable components in solid mixtures. Only the difference is there. In winnowing, by the help of wind, we separate. Here, by the help of a sieve, we separate the undesirable components. And we know in our home also there is sieve, and a sieve has very small holes which allow only small particles. The particles which are small size we can separate, because a sieve has very small holes. Not always very small, sometimes different sizes of holes are used. Depending on the types of particles, the size of the particles, we can use different sizes of holes of different sieves. For example, wheat grains, broken wheat grains, for that we are using different type of, for bran from flour we are using different sizes of holes of sieves. So different types of sieves is available in market according to different sizes of holes. Okay, so in this way we can separate the different undesirable components from a mixture to get a desirable or pure component. Here a picture is given. Here this is sieve. This green color is sieve 1, and here this is rice bran. Here a woman, I think, separate the rice powder from rice bran by the help of a sieve. In this way, this is sieving rice powder containing rice bran. In this way we can separate the undesirable components from a solid in solid mixtures to get a desirable or pure component. Okay students. Third process, hand picking. Hand picking means it is also a process to separate undesirable constituents or components from a solid and solid mixture by picking with hands. By picking with hands, that's why this is process called hand picking. In this method, we can separate only small amount. If there is small amount, we can separate easily. It is normally used to separate undesirable heavier particles. Heavier particles like wheat, rice, pulses. Okay. In this method can be used only when one of the components is present in a small quantity. One of the components is present in a small quantity. That means undesirable components are present in small quantity, whereas the pure particles, what we desire to get, that is as compared to undesirable components that is in high amount, then only we can use this method, that is hand picking. Here a woman using hand picking method separate the undesirable components from solid and solid mixtures. Magnetic separation is the fourth one. Magnetic separation. From this word also we can get that the separation process, this is also separation process by the help of a magnet. If you will separate the magnetic substances from non-magnetic substances in a mixture, that is magnetic separation. Okay, with the help of a magnet, if you will separate, that process is called magnetic separation. And we know magnet attract magnetic substances. A magnet attract magnetic substances. For example, here is a mixture of iron and sulfur. By the help of a magnet, that is magnetic bar here, is taken. Iron, which is a magnetic substance, can be separated from mixture of iron and sulfur. In this way, magnetic substance we can separate, and the process is called magnetic separation. In many factories, scrap iron is separated from a heap of waste materials by using big electromagnets, and used this magnetic substances they use, and these big electromagnets fitted to a crane because that is big in size and there is a huge amount of waste materials, and that electromagnets attract magnetic substances and leaving the other non-magnetic substances behind. That is in the page number 39, that is given figure number 3.5. Here, by the help of a crane, this is crane, a huge electromagnet, this is used from a heap of waste materials, and this is magnetic substances, attract the magnetic substances, and non-magnetic substances are leave behind. Then we can separate different undesirable components from a mixture of solid in solid mixtures and to get a desirable or pure component. On the next class, we will discuss the next method. Okay students, thank you.